Falcon 9 Flight 10 was a Falcon 9 space launch that occurred on July 14, 2014. It was the fifth launch of the Falcon 9 V1.1 launch vehicle and carried 6 Orbcomm-G2 telecommunication satellites. All 6 172-kilogram mass, 379 pounds, satellites were successfully deployed. Following the first stage loft of the second stage and payload on its orbital trajectory, SpaceX conducted a successful flight test on the spent first stage that received considerable news attention. In the event, the first stage successfully decelerated from hypersonic speed in the upper atmosphere, made a successful re-entry, landing burn, and deployment of its landing legs, and touched down on the ocean surface. The first stage was not recovered, however, as the hull integrity was breached on landing or on the subsequent tip-over and body slam. History. This launch schedule was particularly problematic and was delayed several times, with success on the fourth scheduled launch attempt on July 14, 2014. Earlier launch attempts were delayed by SpaceX due to a first-stage helium leak, delayed by Orbcomm due to a potential defect in one of their satellites. On June 20, a launch attempt was scrubbed due to a fluctuation in pressure readings on the second stage. Delayed one day by weather on June 21, when the launch window was closed due to poor weather conditions on the flight trajectory through the lower atmosphere. The June 22 attempt was scrubbed by SpaceX to address a potential concern with the launch vehicle identified during pre-flight checks. Payloads. Objects cataloged. Post-mission launch vehicle testing. In an arrangement unusual for launch vehicles, the first stage of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket conducted a propulsive return over water test after the second stage with the Orbcomm-G2 payload separated from the booster. This was the third high-altitude post-mission test of this type, after the first test on Falcon 9 Flight 6 in September 2013 and a second test in April 2014. The April test resulted in the first successful controlled ocean soft touchdown of a liquid rocket engine orbital booster and included landing legs for the first time, which were extended for the simulated landing. See also: List of Falcon 9 launches. References. External links. SpaceX Press Kit Orbcomm-G2 Mission 1, May 2014. Falcon 9 First Stage Return Orbcomm Mission. SpaceX released video of a controlled descent test, onboard camera, July 2014. Falcon 9 First Stage Re-entry footage from plane. SpaceX released video of a controlled descent test, as seen from a chase plane, August 2014.